You must be having many questions in mind related to motivation, such as what actually motivation is, what is that motivates you may not be motivating for me, how do I find out that what actually motivates me. So these are the few questions and many such questions will be answered in this video. So watch the video till the end and get the maximum out of it. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started! Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we will be covering the topic motivation. We all understand the need of motivation. It has become an important life skill now. We all need motivation at some point of time. By analyzing the desires of any individual, we can get the idea about the basic driving force of that particular person. What would keep them moving on until they hit the rock of success? That driving force, my friends, we defined as motivation. It broadly categorizes into three parts. The first one is direction. Basically, it tells us where we are headed towards, the path that leads to our ultimate goal. The second one is intensity, the amount of efforts we put in to transform our desires into reality. The third one and the most important one, that is persistence, the art of holding on to it, to not let it go even though you face failures 100 times. This part tells you that how important your goals are to you, whether you have that fire or not to accomplish it. Example I'll be giving here is for a software engineer who works 6 days a week and for 9 hours each day, the priorities of his life, which includes his family, his friends, his own needs, etc., would compromise the desires which creates that driving force. As I told earlier, motivation is subjective in nature. Something that motivates me might not motivate you, or something that might motivate you will not be motivating to me. So there are some elements on which motivation of any person is dependent. So the first one is needs. They include basic physical needs for food, clothing, warmth, and safety needs are further divided into two segments, social needs and individual needs. So all these needs are part of a basic human life. The second one is incentives. The rewards which we get also keeps us moving. They play a major role in motivating us throughout our journey. These rewards also vary person to person depending on their goals. For example, for a YouTuber, the greatest reward is the love and the support from his audience, while for an employee it could be a bonus or an incentives or the employee of the month trophy for his excellent performance. Drive. Organizations organize different kind of events and camps to give their employee new opportunities and to empower them. Organizations give them an opportunity of self-development by conducting various training sessions which would be beneficial to them individually as well and would result to an upgradation and upskilling of their own competencies. This develops a feeling of loyalty amongst the employee towards the organization and leads to an unstoppable drive on their part to work hard. I'll be sharing some of the examples of motivation. Like the burning desire in me, my goals are always motivating me. There are times when I also feel demotivated and disheartened. I keep on reminding myself, nevertheless, the number of times I fail, I fall down, I won't give up. I'll work harder and achieve what I deserve. I'll be sharing an example of a friend of mine who is working as an area sales manager in Nestle India. At times, it's difficult for her to cope up with the pressure of meeting and the deadlines. But what keeps her motivated is the sheer desire of being self-employed, who would be able to take care of her finances herself. So now we have talked about that what is motivation. Now we will be discussing the fact that what importance does motivation have in our lives. So you become more productive and deliver high quality results. You do not require a regulating force who would be asking you to work more or hard to complete the target. But now you become your own supervisor and give deadlines to yourself to get high quality outcomes from you. So with this, we are done with the topic motivation. I hope you all enjoyed the video, and in the next video we will be covering the topic theories of motivation. Till then, stay safe, stay motivated. Goodbye. Thank you so much.